There are moments in life when something feels wrong, even if everything looks right on the outside. You meet someone, you like them, you feel attached, but deep inside, there is a quiet voice telling you, this is not right for you. Many people ignore this voice. Not because they don't hear it, but because they don't want to accept it. Sometimes, life, or what many people call God, does not speak loudly. It speaks through signs, small discomfort, repeated misunderstandings, a feeling of being drained instead of feeling peaceful. When someone is right for you, you feel calm, respected, and safe. But when someone is not right, your mind becomes confused, your heart becomes heavy, and your energy slowly disappears. But here is the truth, most people don't walk away when they see these signs. They stay, they try harder, they convince themselves that things will change. They say, maybe I'm overthinking, or maybe love means sacrifice. But love is not supposed to break you again and again. When you ignore clear signs, life doesn't stop. It simply becomes louder. What was once a small discomfort turns into pain. What was once confusion becomes heartbreak. And this is where the lesson begins. When you continue to chase someone who is not meant for you, life doesn't punish you, it teaches you. But the teaching is not always gentle. At first, it feels like small problems, arguments, misunderstandings, feeling ignored. But slowly, it becomes deeper. You start losing your self-respect. You start doubting your worth. You begin to feel like you are not enough. And the truth is, it's not that you are not enough. It's that you are giving yourself to the wrong place. Think about this, if a plant is not growing, do we blame the plant? No, we change the soil, because the environment matters. In the same way, when you are with the wrong person, no matter how much love you give, it will never feel complete. You will keep giving and giving, but you will not feel fulfilled. This is the stage where life becomes strict. The pain increases. Not because life is cruel, but because you are not listening. The lesson becomes stronger until you understand it. Sometimes people say, why is this happening to me? But a better question is, what is this trying to teach me? Maybe it's teaching you to choose yourself. Maybe it's teaching you to walk away. Maybe it's teaching you that not everyone you love is meant to stay. And once you understand this, everything starts to change. Letting go is not easy. In fact, it is one of the hardest things a person can do. Because you are not just leaving a person, you are leaving memories, hopes, and the future you imagined. But sometimes, holding on hurts more than letting go. When you finally decide to walk away, it doesn't mean you failed. It means you learned. It means you respected yourself enough to stop accepting pain. Letting go is not about giving up on love. It is about choosing the right love. The kind that doesn't make you question your value. The kind that doesn't make you feel small. And here is something very powerful. When you leave what is not meant for you, you create space for what is meant for you. Life doesn't take away without giving something better, if you trust the process. Many people stay stuck because they are afraid of being alone. But being alone is not the worst thing. Being with the wrong person is. When you choose yourself, you grow. You become stronger. You understand your worth. And one day, you will meet someone who doesn't confuse you, doesn't hurt you, and doesn't make you feel like you have to fight for basic respect. So if life is showing you signs, don't ignore them. Because sometimes, the pain you feel is not there to break you. It is there to guide you. towards a better life, a better love, and a better version of yourself. Even when we see the truth, we still hold on. Why? Because attachment is powerful. The heart doesn't think logically, it remembers feelings. It remembers the good moments, the smiles, the conversations, the hope. And slowly, we start believing that those moments define the whole relationship. We tell ourselves stories like, they will change, or things will get better. But the reality is, people only change when they truly want to, not when we beg them to. Another reason we hold on is fear. Fear of starting again. Fear of loneliness. Fear that we may not find someone else. And this fear keeps us stuck in places where we are not happy. But here is a simple truth. Staying in the wrong place will never lead you to the right place. You cannot heal in the same environment that is hurting you. Sometimes, we are not holding on to the person, we are holding on to the idea of them. The version we created in our mind. The what if and the maybe someday. But life doesn't move forward with what if. It moves forward with truth. And the truth may hurt, but it also frees you. Many people feel guilty when they decide to walk away. They think, am I being selfish? Or, did I give up too early? But choosing yourself is not selfish, it is necessary. If you keep ignoring your own pain just to keep someone else happy, you slowly lose yourself. You forget who you are. You forget your value. Self-respect means knowing when to stay and when to leave. You can love someone and still choose to walk away. Because love is not just about holding on, it is also about understanding when something is no longer healthy. Imagine this, if someone truly cares about you, they will not constantly make you feel confused, insecure, or unimportant. Love should not feel like a constant struggle. And if it does, then it's not love, it's attachment. When you choose yourself, you are not closing your heart. You are protecting it. You are saying, I deserve peace. I deserve respect. I deserve something real. And once you start believing this, your entire life begins to change. Every ending feels like a loss. But not every loss is bad. Some losses are actually protection. When something leaves your life, it creates space. Space for growth. Space for clarity. Space for something better. At first, it may feel empty, quiet, different. But in that silence, you start to find yourself again. You start doing things that make you happy. You start thinking clearly. You start feeling lighter. And slowly, you realize something important. You didn't lose them, you found yourself. Life has a strange way of guiding us. Sometimes it removes people not because they are bad, but because they are not right for our journey. And when the right person comes, you will not feel confused. You will not feel like you are chasing them. It will feel natural, peaceful, and balanced. So trust the process. Let go of what hurts you. Walk away from what drains you. And be patient for what truly belongs to you. Because at the end of the day, the right things don't need to be forced. They come, they stay, and they grow with you.
Thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.